Let's get into it. Skipnik Saturday today. Let's get lit. All right, so as you've seen in the thumbnail, probably read in the title, Noah Bolt coming up clutch, saving the season. You know what I'm saying? Won the state championship. So surreal, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. It was insane. Insane run we had. Insane team we had. Like, you know, shout out to all the players. Like, my teammates, coaches, families, friends. Everybody that popped out to the state championship game. Y'all was lit. Let's go. Clap it up for y'all. Clap it up. Clap it up. Anyways, let's get into it. Shall we? St. Charles opening game. Game number 1 of the year. Calm little dub, 20-5. Nothing special, nothing too crazy, you know? We knew that game was going to be, you know, claps, I should say. Then we go to Great Mills. Right? County rival. Great Mills. They all right. They smooth. 14-2. Claps. BTA. Bend them over. You know what I'm saying? Chop. Go to Chop. Other county rival. 10-1, baby. 10-1. First 3 games, outscoring opponents 44-8. You know what I'm saying? 44-8. That ain't easy. I'll tell you, that ain't easy. Right? We feeling smooth. We feeling fly. Playing with some swag. You know, we chill. 3-0. Outscoring 44-8. Like, we on top of the world right now. You know what I'm saying? Then we play La Plata. Hit a rough patch. Lost 5-2. Right? All right. Okay. We 3-1. We 3-1. Still outscoring opponents 46-13. Right? Then here's where the fun begins. Lackey. We're playing Lackey, right? This is where Noah Boat comes into the story. Let's take a look.
Right now we're at Henry E. Lackey High School. My older cousin is the coach of the baseball team, so I walked on the field. I was like, "Oh, what's up, boys?" Like, "Yo, get the fuck off." My dad played baseball his whole life growing up, and he never taught me how to play. And I just realized I've never played catch with him before. Did you play catch with him?
Yeah, I played baseball for a bit.
Matt, you played baseball?
Yeah, every year.
Oh. My grandpa also helped out. He was the coach too. You never did anything like that, like baseball?
Play catch in the backyard. Wake up Saturday mornings for
a baseball. Not even a wiffle ball.
Yeah, I would, but by myself.
Maybe they might have an extra glove laying around.
How does baseball work? The dude just swung 2 times and missed another. Switching sides? Is that an out? Is another out? Can baseball go on for 5 hours? You used to play catch with your dad, as a kid?
Yeah, the normal stuff. We would like to draft Noah Tights in 02, Leonardtown High School, 5th year senior.
Wait.
Oh. Do I fit?
This might be your call.
Why does it feel natural? Outing on 17.
Outing on 17.
We won 13-6.
That's what I like to hear.
Yes.
I just want to get him a glove real quick to just see if he can.
Yeah.
Just get his first catch in. The first ever throw and catch. Oh shit! What kind of form was that?
Wait, are you supposed to just
Wait, that was actually hard.
Actually, you're supposed to punch at it exactly like you just like a box.
All right, so you seen the clip from Noah Boat from Strawberry Park. Shout out to them. They goats. You heard him say 13-6. That's in fact what we did. 13-6 dub. All right? So now we're 4-1, winning all these games. Then we play Northern. That was a rough one. I'm not going to lie. That was a rough one. Lost 17-3. We just wasn't on our thing. We just wasn't on our thing. You know what I'm saying? We just weren't, like, playing L-Town baseball. You know what I'm saying? We weren't playing that. Then we play St. Charles again. 11-1 dub, right? That. Okay? Let's take a look. This is how we're doing right now. 25 win. 14-2 win. 10-1 win. 3-0. 5-2 loss. Okay, 3-1. 13-6 dub. 4-1. 17-3 loss. 4-2. St. Charles dub. 5-2. Alright. 5-2. Play McDonough. They're not usually the best. We usually handle them well. So we're thinking, okay, 6-2 going into Huntingtown and Patuxent. Two of probably the better teams in our conference, right? McDonough loss 9-3. We're shitting bricks. I'm going to be honest. How this happened, I don't know. But if we won that game, who knows the rest of the season how that's going to go, right? Okay. So now we're 5-3. Play Huntingtown. Lose 6-0. That was a rough one, okay? Now we're 5-4. Go into PAX. They've made the state championship last few years. They've won the conference championship a few times last few years, right? They solid. Lost 9-2. Now we're 5-5 midway through the season. And we're like, what are we doing wrong? Right? Starting out 3-0, outscoring opponents 44-8. And now we're 5-5. Then we play North Point. Typically, not the greatest team, right? Not the greatest team, I'll say that. This year, okay, I'll give them props. They were solid. They were solid, right? 10-9, walk-off dub. Walk-off. My boy Boogie. Clap it up for Boog in the chat. In the comments. Clap it up. Senior night. You know, first varsity game for my man TJ. Coming up clutch with a walk-off single. Win 10-9, right? 6-5. Okay. Then we play La Plata again. 7-5 Dang. Now we're 6-6, right? 6-6. Then we play Calvert. Calm little 13-3 win. 13-3 win, right? Okay. 7-6. St. Mary's, Annapolis. Private school, right? Lost 6-5 in a heartbreaker. We got walked off. Insane game. I'm not getting into details, though. But insane game. Westlake, they aren't great. I'm going to be honest. 15-1 dub. That's a much-needed win, right? Now we're in the last two games of the season. Last two games. And we are sitting here at 8-7. Yeah. 8-7. 8-7 going to the last two games. We're about 500. We're like, okay. We should finish above 500. Because, you know, we're an above 500 ball club. But not barely above 500. you know? Like, we're not expecting to only win one more game than being 500. So, Chop, night game, whole county's packed out, like, cancer fundraiser, like, it's insane, right? Rough loss 7-1 after we go to their place and win 10-1. Night game we lose in front of all these people, right? Heartbreaker. Now we're 8-8. Going into the last game of the regular season. We need this dub for standings. Wasn't the best game, but we got it done. 1-3-0. So, we end our regular season 9-8. Now, it's time for the playoffs. Okay? Right here, we got region. We got the regional playoffs, okay? In our region, we're the 3 seed. So, we get home game. First game. We play Suitland. Calm little 17-0 dub. So, we're like, okay, bet. You know, we were expecting a pretty solid win. Broadneck. Biggest game of the year. Right here. Right here. At this moment. Biggest game of the year. Go up to Broadneck. Their place. Last time we played them. Upset them. And then lost in the regional final, right? This year we play them in the regional semifinals. We win and North Point wins. We get a home regional playoff game. Regional championship, I should say. Hard fought battle. We come out with the dub 7-5. Let's go. Right? We come out with the dub. Now we're waiting on North Point to see if North Point pulls one out. Pulls an upset out. They're playing the number 1 team, Bowie. They get it done. So, we're on the bus going back home. We're lit, bro. We realized North Point won. North Point got it done. They did their business. We did our business. Now it's 2 smack teams playing against each other for the regional title. Got North Point at home. Regional championship. Surprisingly, it was close as it can get. We pull out an 11-7 dub. Not as close as the last time we played them, and we only beat them 10-9 on the walk-off. But, so, North Point get the regional dub. So, now we go into state playoffs with Flowers, right? State quarterfinals. We're on the road. First time in a long time in school history that we're in the state quarterfinals. First time in my high school career we're in the state quarterfinals. 19-4 dub. Right? Let's get into the highlights right now.
Oh yeah! Yeah!
Leadtown defeats Flowers 19-4. The Leadtown Raiders advance to the 4A state semifinals.
All right, so got that out of the way. Now we know semifinals, state semis, neutral site. You know, kind of far from home. No biggie, no big deal. We're like, okay, let's just play ball. You know what I'm saying? Player Urbana, 3-2 dub. 3-2 dub. You know what I'm saying? Hard fought battle. Not gonna say too much about it. But we pulled it out. All I'm gonna say is, Troy Smith, I love you.
Probably the best moments so far this season for them.
defeats Urbana 3-2. Leadtown advances to the 4A Maryland State Championship game.
All right, so you seen that? Now we're in the state championship, okay? Last time our school won a state championship was 1987. Walt Whitman, #1 ranked team. You know, we're coming in there as the 6th seed in state playoffs. Whitman, we come out 2-0 dub. 2-0 dub. My boy Will Buckler pitched his ass off.
Leonardtown is your 2024 4A Maryland State champions.
Unbelievably proud of this group of guys. Ton of fight all night. Unbelievable job by Will Butler on the mound. Absolutely dominated. We knew he could be that kind of pitcher all year. He has been that pitcher for us all year. He's pitched us in some big games. He got us to this point. He absolutely went out and dominated tonight. This thing's still working? Okay. So yeah, Buckler absolutely dominated. Shout out to Whitman. That's an unbelievable team, unbelievably coached team. We faced some really good arms on the mound tonight. They made it very difficult for us at the plate. We just got gritty, put some balls in play, made some things happen. Aggressive on the bases. Literally just played gritty baseball like we've been doing all year, and luckily it worked out for us tonight. And in the playoffs, we just got hot, and these guys got an unbelievable work ethic. They believed in themselves. The attitude and the belief in themselves is unreal. I've never seen nothing like it in my life, and because of that attitude, it paid off for our guys, and we're bringing home the second one of these in school history. It means a ton for me just because these guys deserved it. These guys have worked their tails off all year, battled a ton of adversity. Our four seniors are fantastic. We're going to miss them so much. They deserve this. The whole team deserves it. So I'm very happy for our guys that they ended the year this way.
Will Buckler, and I'm class of 24, and I'm a starting pitcher for Leonardtown. It was a great game all around. I mean, I was dominant on the mound all night, and I had my team behind me, my defense behind me, and then my offense did enough to get the win tonight. I stayed in the game on the mound by taking it one batter at a time. I didn't think ahead. I didn't do anything. I took it one batter at a time, one inning at a time until the game was over. Nothing was really going through my mind. I was attacking the first pitch because that's how I am as a batter. And I saw a middle fastball, and I just put it the other way over the left fielder's head to score a run in was it the 5th inning? I think. It is the most amazing feeling I've ever experienced as a baseball player and as a person. It took me 3 years to even make it this far in the playoffs. We never even made it to the state playoffs in my high school career. And to come out my senior year and win states is the best feeling in the world. My whole team and my head coach, Austin Guy. I want to give it, it's hard to shout out one person because this team is incredible. I love these guys.
All right, so y'all probably wondering, what does Noah Bo have to do with this, right? He was at the Lackey game. Y'all saw that. Not only that, he was at the state championship game as well, right? That's only 2 games, y'all might say, right? But he was following us all along the season. He was, supporting us when we won region, when we made the playoffs. It's almost like you could say he saved our season at the Lackey game when he put the L-Town hat on his head. Y'all might say I'm crazy. Y'all might be like, whatever, right? But without Noah Boat's support, who knows? Might not have won. So essentially you could say my boy Noah Boat saved the season. And there you have it. Leonardtown High School 2024 Maryland 4A baseball state champs. It was a hell of a ride. I'm going to miss playing for that team. But they got the talent. Might do it again this year. Who knows? Only time will tell. I want to appreciate y'all for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe, hit the noti bell for next Skip Dick Saturday when we drop in another video. Y'all get the notification. Be there. It's going to be lit. As always, Skip Dick, signing out. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Take his head off his fucking shoulder.